So welcome to another edition of Yorkshire Kris Weekly. Well, what a week it's been. It's been absolutely sodden. I've had so much rain on many days, especially throughout the nights. And I've also, along with the rain, we've had high winds as well. Really windy nights and gale force winds at times. Blustery conditions at other times. It's meant a lot of the things that were hanging on the garden have been blown over. Lots of the protection, the sheets I've got ready for protecting some plants have been blown about the garden. Furniture blown about as well. So really, there's not really going to be much of an episode this week, because what I'm really doing is just tidying up the garden. I'm going to be tidying up all the things that have been moved about. I'm going to be getting rid of the rest of the summer bedding, cutting back more of the garden that needs to go into the recycling bins, including things like miscanthus grasses and rhododendrons, getting rid of all the remaining ricinus plants, things like that. But I do have some good news to share, and that is my garden has been accepted by the National Garden Scheme to be included in next year's Open Gardens. So my garden will be open to visit by anyone next year on Sunday the 18th of August 2019 between 1 and 5 p.m. And all the money raised will go to charities associated with the NGS, including the perennial gardeners. So it should be hopefully a great day. Get a chance to see my garden in person. I'll be here for the full afternoon, and it means that the rest of this winter and all of next spring and summer up until August, I'll be really cracking on with finishing the garden and getting it ready for the open day in August. That's it for this week. Join me next week when hopefully I'll be doing more jobs in the garden.